Thanks. Tell me about your hair.
I think it's really damaged.
You think it's really damaged?
I think it is.
Okay, why?
I don't know. I used to straighten it a lot.
Okay.
I've been natural for like, I would say 9 years. I used to get perms up until like my junior year of high school.
Okay. So, what are you looking for out of your haircut today?
Um, I wanted to get it healthy because I know I have a lot of split ends, but
Okay.
I've never, like, my hair's pretty short in like my opinion,
Yeah,
unless
sure.
I stretch it.
Sure.
I haven't really had it short too many times.
Okay.
I don't mind it, but I
Okay.
want to keep some length.
Okay.
But I also like it kind of big, but not too big.
Not too big.
Yes.
This is too big for you.
A little bit.
Okay.
It's very uneven, especially in this area. It kind of caught on fire one time.
It doesn't look uneven, nor does
Okay.
it look unhealthy. I want to
Okay.
start there
Okay.
because I think you're just overthinking that part. Like
Okay.
when I touch your hair, it feels good. It's nice and soft. I can
Okay.
see your texture.
Okay.
You know, the back is hanging a little bit longer than the top, but we can fix that.
Okay.
But if you are just for today wanting to like focus on your shape and getting that to like a point where you like, we can focus on that and then focus on length and health. Your next appointment, because the first appointment, we want to get to kind of know me. I want to get to know you. You know what I mean? So I don't want to like just go chopping and make you feel like you have like short hair, because health is it's probably going to be a journey as far as like people don't want to. You don't want to cut all your hair off the first appointment. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Are you getting regular trims?
I haven't had a haircut in probably 2 years, and that was when I had a silk press.
Okay. Really, I'm just going to focus on just getting this back portion even. Do you want me to round it out to make it even? Or do you want me to still go at a point?
Kinda, yeah.
Let me turn you around.
Okay. Yeah.
So I can just like take a little bit off to round that out.
Yeah, let's do
Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay. And since you seem pretty hesitant on length, so I'm just gonna get you even. Okay. And so you still feel like you have your length. And then as far as styling, do you want to be styled like this with definition?
I think so.
Do you want to keep the bangs?
I usually wear my hair a lot in the middle. But
so you've never worn it like this.
But I do like this. I
think it's gonna be cute.
Yeah,
if, you know,
really
once you style it. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Perfect. I'm excited.
Yeah,